Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact switch model and why it matters. Manual versus automatic changes how you control transfers. Plug the device cable into the switch and then connect each host cable to host ports. Make sure hosts are awake and unlocked. Once done, power the switch if it needs external power. This prevents intermittent disconnects. You do this now to avoid corrupted transfers, because stable power and correct port mapping determine which computer will see the storage device when you switch. Now choose the host you want to use in switch control. Press the hardware button or select the host in the switch software. Wait for the operating system to enumerate the drive. You should see a notification or a drive letter. Open your file manager and copy files. For large sets, use copy with verification or a checksum tool so you confirm integrity. Make sure no application is writing to the device during transfer, because interrupted writes cause corruption. Once transfers finish, eject safely. To finish, you must safely eject the device in the host operating system, then switch control or unplug the cable. This prevents file system damage. If the target host does not recognize the device, power cycle the switch and reconnect cables, because many errors are caused by enumeration failures. Also try a different USB port or cable and check the switch LEDs for status. One key troubleshooting tip: if files seem missing, stop further writes and run a file system check. This preserves recoverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.